Hey, how's it going there, your old pal Jim Sewer Picker Flipping Duo? I bought a bunch of stuff at auction last week. One of them is this old bottle. Dr. Hostetter's Stomach Bitters. Very cool bottle. Almost a full label. Cap still on it. Stuff still in it. That's the problem. The stuff is still in it. This is basically rye. What's known today as rye. It's alcohol. I can't sell it on eBay. Damn it. Damn it. With the stuff in it, with the top still sealed, like, it's probably about a $300 bottle because the stuff is still in it. The label is, almost all there. The back label is not. The back label's just about gone. The bottle itself is mint. And alcohol doesn't go bad. So you can still drink this stuff. But I don't have a license to sell alcohol. $300 in my hand. I can't sell it on eBay. So I'm going to have to sell it to an alcohol dealer who then can sell it, resell it. I'm going to have to sell it to a reseller is basically what it boils down to. So I put in a request to the whiskeyexchange.com. It's a website. If you get full sealed bottles, or not even full bottles, they'll take partial bottles. They'll take empty bottles too. You can sell your bottles vintage. They've even got they've got Courvoisier bottles from like 1990. So it doesn't even have to be that old, sealed. But if you've got and they're not, this isn't a promo for them or anything like that, but you can sell this kind of stuff elsewhere. You're not going to get full price for it, right? I'm not going to get $300 to $500 for this because they got to make their money. I don't know what I'm going to get. I'll let you know. But I mean, it's something. It's not just going to sit on my shelf. It does me no good. I'm not going to drink this stuff. But yeah, Hostetter's Celebrated Stomach Bitters, or as they called it back in the day, Stomachic Bitters. STOMACHIC. I don't know why they added the IC on the end there. Stomachic Bitters. It's rye. 25% alcohol. By volume. They still make this stuff today. So, yeah. The whiskeyexchange.com. I uploaded pictures. And they're going to get back to me with an offer. And then I assume they send out a box and everything and a label, and I'll ship it to them and whatever. They're going to sell it. So, we'll see how that goes. But there are ways to sell this kind of thing not on eBay, because you can't sell this stuff on eBay. You need a license. You can sell wine on eBay if you're licensed and approved through eBay. You can't sell liquor on eBay, licensed or not. They don't allow it. But through Whiskey Exchange, there's other websites. I just went to the Whiskey Exchange first because that's the one that I know. We'll see what they offer. If I don't like it, I'll try a different one. But I actually looked into one because I Googled it just to see what else was out there. And one was like, we'll buy your collection. I don't have a collection. I just have the one bottle. So Whiskey Exchange will buy just the one bottle. So we'll see what they offer. If I don't like it, then we'll look for something else. But yeah, it's a cool bottle. I didn't buy the lot for this bottle specifically. I wasn't expecting there to be stuff in it. I'm glad that there is, but I'm not glad that there is, because I would rather just sell it on my own and get like retail for it. But now I got to get like wholesale or whatever, I got to sell it to another reseller. So, I keep shaking the bottle so you can see that there's stuff in it. So we'll get this liquor sold to a liquor reseller, do it the right way, not try to cheat the eBay system and say, oh, there's water in here. No, it's alcohol. It's bubbling. I can see it. So yeah, we'll get this sold, hopefully for good money. I'd like to get like 100. That'd be good, but we'll see. I'll let you know. Dr. Hostetter's stomachic bitters. It's rye. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. All the happy horseshit. We'll catch you next time.